Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make PDF in CamScanner app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do firstly is for you to go over to the app. You have to download the app. So over here you can see the one that I've done already, which I've scanned already. So for you to do that, you have to go over to the camera side, and over here you're going to see different type here, which is text, ID, sign, scan, to word, question set, and minimal. So we are going to go over to scan, and at this scan side you're going to see single and batch. If you're going over to single, which means just one, and batch means multiples, plenty. So let me go over to take a picture of this. Let me check it out, and you can see you can also adjust it if you want, or if you don't like it you can go over to delete, which is at the left corner at the upside, and you can go over to retake it if you want. And also you can also lighten, in case you want to change the color of it, you can also lighten it, or any of your choice you want here, whichever choice you want here. This is black and white, so let me go over to enhance. Is okay. So if you want to do multiple one, go over to add. So let me go over to add. Let me take this one over here, let me snap it, and many more. So if you want to continue, you can just keep on taking pictures of it, and you go over to check it out. And if you don't like it, you can go over to retake each and any one you feel like. I don't like this one, so let me go over to retake, and this is it here. So when you are done scanning whichever one you want, when you are done scanning it, you're going to see good over here. You go over to good, and you're going to see edit if you want to edit it. If you want to share it, you can also share it too. Over at the upside you're going to see HD. You can also put it at HD. They have HD, large, standard, small. So let me go over to HD, which is the highest quality here. Let me take it. When you are done with all of this, you just have to go over to done. And in case you want to share it to any of your friends, and or in case you want to share it, you can go over to share. Let me go over to share, and over here you can share it as PDF, or share as Word, or share as image compressed PDF. So for you to share it as PDF, you just go over to share as PDF, and you can also remove the watermark over there. For you to do that, you have to upgrade, and you can also go over to just copy the link in case you want to send it to email, or you go over to more, and over to more is going to show you different type of option there, whichever one you want to do. So let me go over as save as PDF. So you go over to it, and here it's showing you the quality. So let me go to higher quality. Higher quality here on medium, you say medium size, better quality. High is showing small size, standard quality. Let me go over to the high one, and you go over to compress, and you can see it's exporting and also saving. So when you are done with that, you can go over to on WhatsApp. So I'm going to share this on WhatsApp. I'm going to send it to one of my friends here on WhatsApp, and when you go over to WhatsApp, it's going to show you search on their name. Okay, so let me go over to open. So this is WhatsApp, and what you have to do, you just have to look for the particular person which you want to send the it, and you do send it, which is this. and let me go over to it. After you share it as PDF, so you can send it to whichever app you want to send it. And this is how you can able to make PDF using CamScanner. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.